Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's bread recipe, you only need four ingredients. It has no gluten, it is gluten free, it has no yeast, and you do not even require any baking skills. That's how simple this bread recipe is. All you need is few seeds and water. It's filled with omega 3, it has a lot of healthy fats, and it's perfect for someone who is diabetic or perfect for someone who is looking to eat for weight loss or has gluten allergy. So but before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's go make this bread.
So you need to take a bowl, and after that in the bowl we are going to add is some seeds. Now I have used sunflower seeds. You can even add mixed seeds, that's fine. I preferred using sunflower seeds. Then I have added some chia seed to it. After that we are going to add is some psyllium husk that will help in binding for the bread. And after using the psyllium husk we are going to be adding some flax seeds, so you can see how much good fat and how many healthy seeds have been added in this. After that I've added some oil. You can even add some maple syrup or honey just to give a little sweetness, and don't forget to add a little bit of salt. You can even add herbs to it. Then I've added water. Now you have to keep mixing it really well. This will take around 2-3 minutes till all the water is absorbed by the psyllium husk and the dough starts combining and getting together. So this you have to do. Keep mixing it till it becomes nice and a thick mixture, like a jelly but lumpy mixture. So now you can see it started getting thicker compared to before, and everything is coming together. That is very important. So now once it becomes thick, what we are going to do is your batter is ready. So the seeded bread is ready. Then I've taken a bread tin. Always make sure you add a parchment paper, and we are going to pour this. So even if you find it thick, don't worry, but make sure that you keep pressing it down. So use a spatula, you use a spoon, that is fine, but make sure that you keep pressing it so that everything comes together. So you can see I've taken all the seeds, the batter, little by little, but make sure that you keep pressing it so that it comes together in a loaf properly. Then we are going to bake it at 180 degrees for 60 minutes. Once the 60 minutes are done, you are going to remove the bread loaf from the cake tin or the bread tin, and just keep it in another baking tray, and then bake for another 30 minutes. And there you go, your healthy seeded bread is ready. It tastes amazing, and trust me, this has no flour, so you will be surprised with the taste. Top it up with some avocado toast. You can make, you can add some peanut butter to it, and it'll taste amazing. So don't forget to try this recipe.